Look at this, guys. So this is the Jordan 13s on feet, Wolf Gray. What's going on, guys? So today's video we have a Air Jordan 13 Wolf Gray shoes here. We haven't done a sneaker review in a very long time. It's been about 2 years since we did it. I want to jump back into it and get into that fashion lifestyle. We're gonna start off with Wolf Grays. The reason why I got this, because I have these pair, retro 2009, cherry reds or Chicago red. There's a bunch of names on it. I'm not sure exactly which one I have here, but it's obviously a retro pair, and I don't want it to wear out. It is starting to wear out a little bit. It needs to re-glue in the future, and I love these shoes. I wear them a lot, too much. Jordan 13s are my favorite right now. I will experiment on more types of Jordans, like Jordan 4s, Jordan 5s, and more available out there, and we will style it with some fits and some custom t-shirts in the future, so stay tuned for that. I did clean some of this, but you know, it's starting to show its age, so I wanted to wear something that's a little more neutral but still kept that red. So that's what the Wolf Gray is. The Wolf Gray is a redesign of the retro design from the UNC version. So basically they had a baby blue on the bottom and it was based same exact style. This is the AJ13 Wolf Gray. We do have it in the size 9 here, and you got that gray infamous box. Very, very nice. You can see that there. So this just arrived today. A week later, was announced and released a week ago on Saturday. We're releasing it, posting this video on Saturday, so a week ago. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I tried to match it. I tried to match the gray. I thought this would be a gray enough. Obviously it's like a sandstone white, but this is a nice sneaker. You can see this here. The build quality and everything on this, like this, they're using different materials compared to the OG. They have, like, see that there? The Jumpman logo, the snake eye on the bottom pops a lot more. It's not like that neon. I liked when MJ likes to do that. He has that pop of color on one shoe, stands out, even though it's on the bottom with the red and the little green still pop. And you got that Jumpman logo there with the red as well. Got the other shoe right here. Now, if you're wondering why are these already laced up, I did wear them to make sure they fit, and they do. They're clean though. Suede on it, fresh, very, very, very nice suede. The shoelaces are a little bit of a cream white. Doesn't really match the shoes, but now, like I said before, I got these because they're a neutral color, and I believe they're gonna be good for winter fits. Gray, you know, that gray sweatpants. These will go fire with sweatpants, and an overall fresh feeling type of sneakers. Obviously, should have been released in the summertime too. People love wearing whites in the summer and then dark for whatever reason. So yeah, that's what that is. Do have the snake eye here, the 23. I'm probably gonna keep that little plastic peel on that for a little bit. Got that Jordan tag there. I don't know if there's nothing printed on the back of the Jordan tag. They have different types of materials for the toe box. Feels like it's gonna be easier to crease as opposed to the old gen, I guess, where they're a little more stiff. You can see like a harder leather. These ones are more plushy and soft leather. So we'll see how that is. Should you get these? That's like one of the main questions. People are sleeping on them. Surprising. I would say get them. Just because they're getting slept on doesn't mean they're not clean sneakers, you know? People like to get sneakers that are everyone gets for some reason. I don't know why. These are clean sneakers. Can't lie about that. Go fire with any fit, really. You can wear any color. Wear gray, you can wear red pants. I don't know, wear anything really with these sneakers. We will check out those field purples as well if I can get my hands on them. Very clean sneakers here. I'll show you a feet on right now. Recording, okay. All right, so this is on feet. This is what they look like on feet. You can see that there. Clean. Let me show you a little better representation here. Look at this, guys. So this is the Jordan 13s on feet, Wolf Gray. Let me know what you think about it. I'm risking my table for this. In the beginning, they sound a little weird. Don't get me wrong. All right, so as you can see, this is on feet. That's what they look like. I have a huge mess, so I can't really walk in this room, but like, this is just what this fit on right now. The black and white Jordans. You can see that there. They look clean with the white. They do make minimal noise, but you know, they look clean, they look fresh. You see them right there. They pop too because they're super white. Definitely have to change the shirt. Just pretend it's a white shirt, but it's clean. For the inside of the shoe, pretty loose when I got it, and there's hair because I cut my hair earlier today, but look at this. This is the little insole here. It's fairly squishy. There's about probably a couple millimeters, and that's the stitching in there as well, just so you know. This is the tag inside. It just gives you so much support. All right, so that has been the Wolf Grey 13. If you guys want to check out more videos on my channel, I do barbering, I do tech, sneakers, lifestyle, all that, an occasional random video here and there. See, I'm about to drop a new drop fade tutorial, just a little sneak peek on my fade right now. This is a self cut, and we're going to be showing you how to do that process in that as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned, drop a like on the video, subscribe, comment down below if you're going to be getting these or not, or you're going to pass if they're a cop or a drop. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.